what are the activities that we are sending our resources out to or investing our own resource, time or money into, it will always end up in a result. That's the game of business. It can't be any simpler than that.
I think definitely what I loved the most about today was that it helps reset your focus. You get so bogged down in the nitty-gritty of day-to-day running a business that sometimes you forget to look above it. It just really gives you a rev up and a reset to fly into it.
The thing I like best about today is getting the opportunity to bring in the key players in my team in operations, finance and sales. A lot of our team and key players have great ideas. This gives us the opportunity to get it all out onto the table and set up the next 6 to 12 months.
We've been thinking of 1,000 ideas. It took 5 hours, and without this morning, it took maybe 5 months.
When you wake up as a business owner, you just sort of tend to deal with the day-to-day issues. Today highlights that you really need to be thinking ahead and strategising for the future.
What I've liked best about today is the opportunity to sit at a table with people I don't know and be able to talk business and ideas on how to grow my business, and learning from other people's ideas and suggestions has been really good.
I realise that in some parts of the business I'm settling for ordinary, so I'm going back tomorrow to undo that and to up the ante. Again, thank you. Great session to the team.